Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Sometimes the most painful feeling is not losing someone completely, it's slowly realizing that you are no longer part of their everyday life. If you are ever felt left behind by someone you truly cared about, then this message is for you. Late at night, while silently scrolling through your phone, you suddenly see your close friend's story or post. They are smiling with new people, making new memories, looking genuinely happy, and somewhere deep inside, a quiet pain appears. Not because you are jealous of their happiness, but because you miss being a part of it. You start wondering, did they forget me? Was I easily replaceable? Did I do something wrong? Sometimes it becomes hard to understand whether you are slowly drifting away or they are quietly distancing themselves from you. And in those moments, you begin blaming yourself for things you may not even be responsible for. But after some time, you slowly realize an important truth about life. People grow, lives change, new friendships are formed, new chapters begins, and that does not mean your friendship had no value. Not every connection is meant to stay the same forever. Some people are meant to become beautiful memories, not permanent part of your journey. So don't hate them for moving forward and don't hate yourself for feeling hurt. Enjoy the memories you shared. Wish them happiness from the bottom of your heart because sometimes real life is quietly being happy for someone even from a distance. True maturity is understanding that people can drift apart and still remain special in your heart forever. If this message touch your heart, remember this. Your value does not decrease just because someone's life changed. Some people are chapters, not the entire story. And that's okay. Keep growing, keep protecting your peace, and keep appreciating the people who truly choose to stay. If you connected to this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more emotional and motivational content. See you in the next video.